folk, we got some of the cool Star Wars ones. And this is pretty cool. You got Orange County Chopper Pez.
It's the 70s.
Pretty cool. Alright folks, so what we got going on right now is a scavenger hunt. It's a 7 dwarf, and what it is the 7 dwarves have, they're missing. They've been separated from Snow White, and we have to find the 7 dwarfs. If we find the 7 dwarfs, we win something. We have 6. The only one we're looking for now is Doc. So we're on a mission to find Doc. You ready, bro? Rock and roll. And alright, folks, this is the Pez Chopper. Check this bad boy out. And this was made by Orange County Choppers.
Oh, this is a little outfit.
And here you go, folks. You have some Pez, which are like lighters. Because when Pez first came out, it was peppermint. And this is actually was something to help to quit smoking. That's how all this started. Alright, folks, we got the sports spot here. And of course we got Go Mets. And of course, back in the day, some of Caden's favorite, that was Paw Patrol. We got some dinosaurs. Got some Madagascar. And right here, folks, you have the old school Pez pistols and laser guns and stuff like that, which they discontinued and they no longer make the gun Pez's. Pez also came out with a line of trucks and NASCAR. Here we go, folks. Some of the majorly old school ones still in the packages back in the day. Got old Tom and Jerry over there. Santa Claus has always been a major one. We're going to get a couple of shots here. This is inside the factory where they make the candy. And so here's some more of the area where they make the candy and they make the Pez dispensers. And here's a bunch of the candies already made, and I believe there are 13 flavors as of now for Pez. And here we got some old Pez dispenser machines. Pretty cool. And alright Oh, right here we have the original Pez girl outfit. Right on. And this is the total Pez girl uniform. With her Pez girl bag. Well, all right, folks, we are done with the Pez tour, which turned out to be pretty dang cool. The Grizz got, it's like a Pez thing that you can do yourself, and he's filling it with candy right now. He got the semi-truck Pez, and then you can you put a sticker on it, and you can marker on it. It's just a cool little thing. He also, we finally found Doc, the elusive Doc that was hard to find, of the 7 Doors. The grizzly bear found it, and because of that, they have a there's a wheel, and it's got a bunch of Pez's on it, and you spin it, and whatever one it lands on you get. And he got this one, which is the bear. What's the name of that?
Open Season.
Open Season, the bear from Open Season. And since he's the grizzly bear, it's quite a fitting thing. Good score, bub. And did I take my thing off? Well, yeah, I don't know what I do. I think I threw mine in the bag. You get these little things to wear, little Pez visitor thing. And I threw mine in the back. Maybe I'll try and remember to show you guys later. I got a SpongeBob dispenser, Pez dispenser with candy. I got 2 SpongeBobs from Walmart. I think the one I got is different than the ones I have already. I hope. I got like a crystal one. So anyways, was it cool, bud?
Yes.
Enjoyed it?
Yes.
Awesomeness. I'm glad. But anyways, we're gonna take off. We're gonna head back. So this is probably gonna be it for this one. So you gonna help me out with this one too?
Yes.
Yeah? So don't forget, always forward to the next adventure. The vlog is down.